The cells within your body listen to the sound of your voice. I'm gonna say that again. The cells within your body literally respond to the sound of your voice instantaneously. Not, you don't have to keep doing it over and over and over. I mean, essentially, to install a new program, you do. You know, repetition is the mother of all skill, of course. But like, the cells within your body respond to the sound of your voice, bro. That's powerful. That's powerful, bro. That's why the word is so important. Words can be swords depending on how you know what I'm saying? You can cut with them and you can also create with them. You know what I'm saying? As you speak, you create. As you think, you create. As you breathe, you create. As you feel, you create. As you do and act, you create. You create what you know. So as you know, you create. Everything about you is designed to create because you are the creator. It's that simple. It's that simple, bro. That's why everything about you is can't help but to create. You're always manifesting your reality, even if it's from an unconscious place. But that's why the key is to making this the unconscious conscious, so that you can get a hold of the program and you can run the course yourself from a conscious place. Now you'll become the conscious magician. But it starts with the story that you tell yourself. It starts with the word that you tell yourself. Your internal dialogue must change in order for everything else to change. Change your internal dialogue. Mine has changed a whole lot, tremendously. You know how I did it though? Affirmations. Anytime you're telling yourself something, that you're affirming something to yourself, you're practicing affirmations anyway. I'm saying that again. Anytime that you affirm something to yourself, you're practicing affirmations anyway. Why not consciously control what you say or what you affirm to yourself? If your words create reality, because now you can shape your own reality. You can be where you want to be. You don't have to keep on living in looping cycles and shit. Your current destination, your current situation ain't the final destination, bro. It's not the final